Good morning, guys. Dave Santarelli from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, Stock Options Trading Academy.
Good morning, guys.
If rain's there, nice morning, guys. We're seeing a nice little pop there. I see you guys in the trade room got in a DPZ, Domino's Pizza trade yesterday. All thanks to Ragu there. Nice job, Ragu, on the Domino's trade. I see that's continuing to climb up 0.82% in the pre-market hours. Nice job yesterday, guys. Well done. And Frayne, you did a great job here yesterday on all the work you got sent out, so nice job. Guys, we got some nice face masks here as well. If you guys check out our pages, we'll post that. I'm giving those away for free for you guys, help protect you guys, so just drop us a message if you guys want one of these Breaking Chart Alerts face masks. And, hey, guys, take a look. With our trade plan, take a look at Halliburton. I got Halliburton chart pulled up right here. Take a look. Holding that 10-day simple moving average, right? Now, notice this, though. This is Halliburton, right? Now, notice one thing. A little bit less aggressively climbing here as I thought we would, but we're still holding that 10, still climbing on Halliburton. Still looking good. I'm looking at that 1250 for a target. And remember, we got OPEC meetings coming up this week, next week, and I'm expecting another move in oil to come up here. Halliburton's up over 2%. Let's take a look at CCL, Carnival Cruise Line, quick here before the market opens. We've got about a minute. And look at the asset. Oh, excuse me. Look at the SMAs converging here. We got the 10, 20, 50 SMA and the candles straight in between. Here we go, guys. Opening bell up $4,000 on open here. Beyond is up really nicely here. We'll go over that. But first off, let's go over our current trades like we do each morning here. Carnival Cruise Line, it's holding that 20 SMA, still looking good. I'd be looking at 16, 17 target short term here going into June Expo. What do we have on that? We have the October 16th, 2020 Expo. So I think we could get a nice climb up to 17. We'll be looking for that. Alrighty, let's see what else here. First things first, Beyond. Take a look at Beyond. I think I'm probably going to take profits on that. We made that trade the other day. Look at how nice she's popping. Up 2.81% today. Yesterday that was up nice when I was out of the office here. Got up to 140 just about. That trade's up quite nicely, up about 15%. I can lock in gains, but I see that I have the June 19th Expo on that. So June 19th Expo, as you can see with Beyond, it's still in breakout momentum, still climbing at the highs of the day here today. If we change it to a today 1 minute chart, you'll see she's still breaking out. 10, 20, 50 SMA still holding above that, and we're a minute into the day here. So keep an eye on Beyond. There she goes, continuing to climb up to 136. Let's see what else we got here. Carnival Cruise Line's up nicely today, up $300 on Carnival Cruise Line. Let's see, Halliburton's doing well. LVS, let's take a look at Las Vegas Sands here. We have a trade on that. LVS, see, another one holding above that 10, 20, 50 SMA. You know, we're just waiting for that next big breakout here as the economy continues to open. And Las Vegas is open now as well. Also, guys, Dr. Fauci's coming on. He's testifying in front of the Senate today. I want to make sure you guys know and understand what he's going to be talking. What time is he coming on?
10 a.m.
At 10 a.m. he's coming on. And, you know, I expect the markets to probably pull back a little bit. He's a little pessimistic on the economy opening up the way it is. So watch for a short-term pullback while he's talking, and then we'll look for that climb the rest of the day there. Okay, let's go on. Twitter's our new trade challenge trade here. That's looking good, holding above the 10, 20, 50 SMA, up over 0.56% today. Looking good. I'm going to be looking at 32.50 as the target. On the Twitter trade, we have the June 19th $30 strike. That's looking good there. Waiting for that next breakout. We'll look at 32.50. We picked those up for $1.79. So nice potential there with the Twitter trade. And let's see here. Good morning, Skyjack. Good morning, Avilio, Chris, Fresh and Healthy, Meals, Gabe, Red Lotus, Shen, Kevin Colin. Good morning, guys. Good morning. See, you guys made a nice trade on Domino's Pizza yesterday, huh? Nice job.
Bullard says the Fed balance sheet at $10 trillion sounds high, expects programs to wind down as crisis eases.
Twitter's still on the rise there, looking good. Look at Twitter breaking out really nicely here. 29.90. Visa was up nice this morning in the pre-market hours, pulled back a little bit there, still holding above that 10, 20, 50 SMA. Looking good. That's the reason why we went out to these June and July expos for the trades we got. You know, we need a little bit of time there. We still have breakout momentum cycle, and looking for that next breakout. Consolidating for a couple of candles here on Visa, waiting for that next breakout. With Visa, we have the June 19th 190 strike. Kevin Colin says Peloton looks like it wants to move. Peloton, let's take a look. PTON. Peloton's looking nice there. Kevin Colin still breaking higher there. We could look for 46 as a target for Peloton if you're doing a short-term swing trade on Peloton.
Kevin, also, I sent you over the trade slides as well, too.
Beyond, still climbing on the Beyond trade, up nicely on that. Let's take a look at Beyond. Let's see what Domino's Pizza's doing there if you guys are in that. Climbing off that 10 right now, looking good, up $2.88, 0.76% for the day. There she goes, Domino's breaking out again. I'll be looking for $3.90 on my target for Domino's Pizza. That's a nice breakout you guys got yesterday.
Did anybody order Domino's?
It's funny. Come on, Visa. I want that to break out here.
Fast Cash Gary says would expect some small social changes after the crisis, but unsure about large changes to capitalism.
Hey, Diego. Just seeing your message there in the trade room.
Also, for those that are not aware, we had the videos from last week posted on our website. It's on the homepage. We have two videos: how to set your charts up in Thinkorswim and E-Trade. Very good videos on those two, very quick. As well as our class from Thursday, which we discussed the trade plan, how to properly hedge, and support and resistance. Really, really good videos. So check it out. We will have another class this Thursday. Very excited about that one. This one's going to be very good this week.
We're getting a little pullback here now as they're waiting for Fauci to come on. We'll be looking to make some swing trades today for sure. I think we're going to have some nice opportunities here. As you guys can see below, there's some Apple option alerts coming in. The 320 strike call sweeps. 343 contracts at 222. Macy's put sweeps coming in. $3 strike puts on Macy's. Apple's got a lot of calls coming in there. Let's take a look. Let me see what that one was.
Novio price target raised from $12 to $18 at Maxim. That's India November Oscar.
Let's see. Who asked about? Here we go. Colaveri says, Dave, what's the plan for Snap? Snap is holding it above 18, still in breakout momentum. You can see here, let's zoom in a little bit on Snap. So here's the chart for Snap. Notice how we broke out. We retraced down to that 10 for 2 days here. We climbed. We're holding above that 10 the entire time here, consolidating, waiting for that next breakout there up to $19, $20. So Snap is still looking good, flirting with being in the green here. There we go, up a penny. not doing too much. Like I said, market's pulling back a little flat this morning with Fauci coming up at 10 a.m. Going to be speaking to the Senate. So that's what we're waiting and watching for here. And Snap is still looking great there. Snap's still in breakout momentum, looking good as the economy continues to open. Excited to see that run there. Now take a look at Visa here. Visa's another one. Take a look what she's doing. Visa, breakout momentum, nice breakout, and when it's retracing back down to that 10-day simple moving average. Now, before it was coming back down to the 20 back here in mid-April, and then we had a nice breakout, and since then, since the economy started showing signs of reopening, we're having a little bit stronger of a breakout, and we're holding that 10 climbing. Oh, excuse me. Thank you. Chris says, what's your thoughts on AbbVie, ABBV? Let's take a look at AbbVie. AbbVie looks like that might retrace a little bit. I think she could possibly retrace down to 86 before having that next big breakout again. But AbbVie's nice. That one, had an upgrade?
Upgrade. Top upgrade. Yep.
You know what I'm looking for before.
I could have sworn upgrade.
But like I said here, Visa's looking good, retracing down to that 10, breaking out, consolidating for a couple of days here, waiting for that next big breakout again. Carnival Cruise Line, AbbVie's looking good though. I wouldn't jump in just yet. I'd wait until you're breaking out here. If you could see here on the 1 minute chart, you could see retracing back down to that 2050. Ragu says shop. There was also MACD cross on as well. 10-20-50 cross with a squeeze to the upside. Let's take a look at shop there, Ragu. Shopify. Oh, man, I hate when that happens. There we go. Shop, look at that. It retraced right down to that 50 SMA on a today 1 minute chart. Starting to bounce off that. Look for a climb above. Let's say 758 for that next breakout. If it breaks above 758, she could possibly see 770 again today, which is a huge move there, especially with options. Let's take a look at 3-month daily. Still breakout momentum on Shopify, using that 10 as a retracement support area, breaking out, retracing, supporting down to 700, and starting that climb again. Thank you. AbbVie was upgraded to 105 today by JP Morgan. That's on our watch list here on our daily newsletter. If you look at the upgrades today, AbbVie's the top one. It was ratings changed from neutral to overweight. Price target upgraded to 105 on AbbVie. ABBV. We take a look at that. That's definitely one we can jump into here once we get that cross. There we go. There's that climb. We could definitely look at an AbbVie trade here going into, let's say, June Expo. Let's take a look at what the option chain looks like here. ABBV. June 19th. We could even get this week's Expo if we wanted to. Let's see what it's going for. The 89 strike, $1.50. This one could easily get back up to 91 today. Let's see, 3-month daily. She might continue to rise here. I'll pick up a small trade on AbbVie for now for the June 19th Expo. I'm gonna pick up the let's say 90 strike. What's that going for? That's pretty expensive there. She's breaking out big now. Let's see, 3.35. I'll go up to 3.40. That's for the 90 strike. Let me take a look at the 3-month daily. Alrighty, so let's see here. I'll put in 10 contracts, 335. That'll be a $3,350 trade. Calls June 19th Expo. Let's see. I just placed that order. The strike, that was just executed. We got the AbbVie June 19th 90 strike call. We were filled at $3.35 contract. It only partially filled, though, as you guys could see for right now. It only filled 2 of the 10 contracts. I'll wait for those to fill. 335 by 350.
Target.
Our target I was looking at, that's going to be between 95 and 100.
Stop.
Our stop is going to be, I don't want 85. That's too far out there, but let's say 86. Candle below 86. Beyond is climbing here again. Halliburton's really taking off, guys. Take a look at Halliburton. Halliburton's up almost 3%, 30 cents. Let's take a look at the today 1-minute chart. Halliburton's pure breakout momentum, holding above that 10 the entire breakout here this morning. That's looking good. Our Halliburton trade's up $200 today. Beyond trade's up $300. The AbbVie trade we just made's already up 30, 40. And I'm only in 2 contracts of that right now. It didn't fill the whole 10. I could go in there and change the order. If she breaks above 90, I'll probably change the order. Domino's Pizza, 203. It's up 0.54%. Looking good there. Thanks, Chris. Chung Ho says Boeing's moving up. Let's take a look at Boeing quick. 131.77, up almost 2% today. Still trading in the NTZ on Boeing, though. No trade zone on Boeing. I'd be looking for a break above 140 before entry. AbbVie, I'm going to have to change this order status here on AbbVie. It only partially filled. I'm going to increase the rest here to 3.50.
Reducing the reproductive capacity of mammals. That's Sandy Echo November Sandy, SCNS.
And the rest completed at 3.50. So 3.4 and 3.50 we were filled out on the AbbVies.
How do you want me to send that?
Our average price point is $3.47. That's fair.
News, hopping to 56 cents now. That's Sandy Echo November Sandy.
I think I want to lock in that Beyond trade. I don't, but I do. That's June Expo. We'll be fine on that. Walmart's still on the climb there. See, here's the nice thing about Walmart, guys. I know we have a Walmart trade expiring this week that's worthless right now, but it was consolidating, holding below that 10. We finally got that candle above the 10-day simple moving average. MACD's starting to flatten out here, and I think we're going to continue to see a climb on Walmart. 124.31 continuing to climb. Waiting for it to break above that 125. We could break above that 125. I think we could have another run all the way back up to that 130 to 132.50. So keep an eye on Walmart over the next couple of weeks here. Waiting for that next breakout we could take advantage of on Walmart.
As Bullish says, doesn't see much role for gold outside of inflation hedge.
LVS, Tyler's talking about in the trade room. Let's take a look at LVS. LVS is still holding above that 10, still in breakout momentum, you know. Might see a nice climb on that tomorrow. We'll be on the lookout. Dow's only up about 108 right now, 111. Waiting for Fauci here. Another 12 minutes for Fauci. Once Fauci comes on, I think that's when we should listen, see what's going on, what he's saying. I think that's really important. That's one official we could trust there, and see what's going on with the COVID and what he's thinking as far as the economic reopening is concerned. Beyond is still looking great there. Beyond still on the climb. Look at that breakout on Beyond, looking good. Beyond's coming down to that 20. Now notice, see, this is one of those charts where you can see it's been using the 20 as support on the today 1 minute. Beyond, nice breakout, retraced down to that 20, broke out, retraced down to that 20. This low is a higher low than the previous breakdown here. It's perfect with the trade plan. So now we're looking for the next breakout above 136.50 for that next run there. See if Beyond could do that there. Visa, let's take a look at Visa. Visa's in BDM on a today 1 minute, only down 0.86% for the day. Our AbbVie trade's back in the green now. I'm not sure if Fauci gave money to a Wuhan lab there, Mo. I don't think Fauci says anything anyone tells him to say to you. I think Fauci pretty much says what he wants to say.
No, he's going to say what he said. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
I don't think he's going to,
he's
whatever
not
Trump says, yeah.
And it's gonna be
I don't think so.
one
AbbVie's running nicely here. Take a look at AbbVie. AbbVie's taking a run here. Here's AbbVie on a today 1 minute chart. Coming down to that 10, breaking out here. Nice breakout momentum on AbbVie. We just got into a trade on AbbVie. Quick $100 gain on AbbVie. Let's see if that could continue that breakout there.
And they just completed their acquisition of Allergen.
I'd like to read up on that, Bob. Guys, our AbbVie trade's now up $200. There goes AbbVie running and breaking above $90, 22 cents, and running. Wow, up $230 on AbbVie already. And that was a small trade, just a $3,500 trade. $3,400. Let's see, Gabe said Walmart day trade. Let's see Walmart chart there he's talking about. Walmart's a tough one to day trade, Gabe. She usually doesn't have that big of a move. I could see where you entered there, though, on that nice little breakout there above consolidation. Looking good. As far as the day trade, might be a little tough there. I mean, I think you could still squeeze out a profit, but I'd make that into a swing trade. I like Walmart on a daily chart here. First candle above that 10, looking good. Just like down here, when you're in the no trade zone, first nice candle above that 10, and you're getting a nice run there. Gabe, watch and see if it's going to hold that 10 SMA here.
Virus has not stopped oil production. That's from Iran's oil minister.
Ash K says, do you think Novavax will keep going up? Let's take a look at Novavax.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Crude is moving lower currently.
Wow, Novavax is up 50% today.
At a high of 25.79 earlier.
It's definitely retracing from the highs there. I think that's going to continue to see it pull back a little bit before bouncing again. I think that's still going to continue to climb over time here. But looks like she's pulling back slightly down. I'd wait on entry.
President Trump tweeting now, as long as other countries are receiving the benefits of negative rates, the USA should also accept the gift. Big numbers. Got a tweet from Donald Trump now.
What was the tweet from him? Look at that breakout on AbbVie again. Nice climb there. Did you guys get in that AbbVie trade with us? That was the only trade we made so far this morning, right?
Yep.
Look at AbbVie still going. I'm up $400 on AbbVie already.
Nice.
A quick 20% gain.
Yeah.
David Gallo says AbbVie on the move up. He's got a 12% gain already. Thank you, Dave. Nice job, Dave Gallo. Come on, guys. Let's pump each other up here. Let's get some energy going.
Let's do it.
That's what we need. AbbVie might have a nice breakout today. Let's see that get up to 95. That'd be nice today.
Biotech is in the move today.
Oh, yeah.
Moderna, Abbott, AbbVie.
Look at AbbVie go. Wow. Let's see the trade room here. John BCA, I think that's Gabe there. In $1.06, out at $1.30, still climbing. Tyler C says he's in AbbVie. Nice job there. Now see, I'm up $500 on AbbVie. You know, like a normal person would just take that, cash that in, $500, $500. But you know, I think I got more momentum going there for AbbVie. I think that's going to continue to climb today. And if you look at the 3-month daily, I mean, there's no doubt she's at the highs of the day now. Wow, we're up $600 now on AbbVie. Did you get an AbbVie too? No?
Traders circulating a report on the.
Look at NVAX there. NVAX is finally starting to climb. Now, see, if I was looking for a day trade, you could be looking at NVAX here once she crosses above that 20 and confirmation candle after that. That'd be a nice setup. Good morning, Chevin. Good morning. Good morning, good morning.
Chev, what's going on?
That's ASTC now spiking here, $3.47.
Let's see. Gabe's talking about Walmart there. What's Walmart doing? Did it climb off that 10? Yes, it did. Nice breakout there.
Called it.
Nice breakout, Gabe. Called that there. He saw it break above resistance there, above consolidation. First candle above consolidation, he entered, and Walmart, I mean, look at the size of those candles compared to when it was in consolidation here. I mean, it's 3 times the size. That's showing me you're probably looking at a continued breakout coming.
$3.64 now.
Nice job on that one. Domino's Pizza's turning red here. Domino's Pizza's down 0.5% down, $1.77.
CHK, Chesapeake Energy.
David Gallo says he's up 20% on AbbVie. He's up $600. Great job there, David. There goes Walmart breaking above that 10-day simple moving average, breaking above that consolidation. AbbVie still holding that 10. There goes Beyond climbing again here. Good morning, Jelpin. Tenny says he's up 60% on AbbVie. Nice job. Look at Walmart. That breakout on Walmart. 125.08. Wouldn't that be nice if our Walmart trade came back from the dead?
Undertaker.
Yeah.
Would not want to say
That is
never
what I
with
think.
regard to negative interest rates, but there are other things the Fed would do first. HPBX, new patent circulated now, Hotel Tango Bravo X-ray.
Nice job there, Gabe, on Walmart. Did you exit Walmart or are you still in it? Still in it to win it. Now look at Walmart, though, on a 3-month daily. This is what's piquing my interest here. Take a look there. I mean, Walmart's finally really starting to climb here. I like that chart there on Walmart. You're just starting to get that MACD cross as well. Look at how AbbVie came right down to that 10, starting to break above that 10 again. Let's see it hold it and continue that climb on AbbVie. The Milk Tiger United. I don't know who he's talking to. You keeping those V calls with May 22nd expos. Not sure what you're talking about there with Visa, if you guys got it in another Visa trade, but I'm in the Visa June 19th 190 strike call on Visa. Look at AbbVie there, climbing off that 10, continuing that run. That's pure breakout momentum, and you guys know that. Retracement down to that 10, holding 10 as support and starting that climb. Watch it.
Virus led to a collapse in most forms of coronavirus. Consumer spending says Q2 will be brutally painful because of coronavirus and mandated economic shutdown. Parker says we can expect the U.S. economy to underperform until the virus is under control. Says Fed goal is to make sure every sector of the economy has access to liquidity. Says crisis is severely harming nonprofit sector and higher education. Says a scenario where the economy opens too quickly and leads to a second wave of the virus would reverse the economy. Says recovery will be uneven with manufacturing rebounding more quickly than travel and hospitality. Parker says in his opinion banks shouldn't be issuing large dividends now.
Why do they have to talk about all that stuff during market hours? You know, like, come on. What type of bullshit are they trying to pull there? You know? You know what it is. You know what it is. Pure market manipulation there. Let's put fear in. Let's cash in on those puts.
Let's check out the dime. I want to see. It's 10 o'clock now.
10 o'clock. Where's Fauci? NASDAQ is red. There goes AbbVie continuing to break out there. 90.65 continuing that run. Walmart still looking good.
Futures are rebounding here 29, 20, 50.
He was getting ready to say S&P futures are dropping out, and he's like, "Ooh, S&P futures are rebounding here."
They're like, oh, bounce back.
Oh, wow.
Let's see
That's
SPY.
funny. Come on, AbbVie. Let's see that bigger candle there.
SPY was almost.
New exome and custom kappa target enrichment portfolio for translational and clinical research application.
Look at Walmart running there.
Romeo Hotel.
Hey, Johnny, how you doing there?
RHHBY.
John BCA. How you doing on that Walmart trade? That should be up quite a bit now. He got in right on that breakout right here. So you guys remember in our class on last Thursday, remember our class? Mm-hmm. What did I talk about when it retraced? The confirmation. Remember how I talked about here's the optimal time to enter. The first 10-20 cross when it's starting a new breakout momentum cycle. That's the optimal time to enter into a longer term 6, 12 month, even a 3 to 6 month trade out or further to Expo. But I said if you're looking to get in the middle of the breakout momentum, when it retraces down to that support, either the 10 or 20 SMA, like if you're looking at Walmart right here on the today 1 minute chart, broke out, right? It consolidated for, all these candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. About what? 20 minutes there it consolidated for. From 9:30 till what? 9:47. So 17 minutes, and then it had that next climb off that 20. So it retraced down to that 20 SMA, and then that first candle breaking above this consolidation box, that's your entry. That's what Gabe did, or John BCA. He entered right here on the 948, had a nice climb, retraced down to that 10, had a nice breakout. You're seeing it's doing something totally new, entering breakout momentum, and it's getting a nice run there. There goes our AbbVie trade. Our AbbVie trade's already up $600. So look at this. Nice breakout momentum, holding that 10, continuing to run. When it retraces, it's not even coming down to that 10 right now. Walmart's in a strong breakout. Nice job on that trade, John or Gabe. Up 20% on Walmart, May 15th, 126 call. Nice job on that. Nice job. He's holding it going into earnings. Wow, nice. They should do well, though. You know, like Walmart did pretty decent during that time. Wow, there goes our AbbVie trade again. Take a look how it's holding that 10-day simple moving average on it today. 1 minute, still climbing off of that. Still having a nice breakout there. Look at Walmart go, too, here. There goes AbbVie, now up $700 on AbbVie. Yeah. Nice breakout on AbbVie. Walmart still climbing there.
We're live soon.
What's that?
No, they're just showing live footage of the.
Fauci.
Mm-hmm.
What's the delay with Fauci? Now, I think once Fauci comes on, he puts a little bit more fear in about the virus. I think those biopharmas are going to continue to pop there off of Fauci's news while the general market retraces here. So that's what I'm expecting going into the Fauci testimony here. He's testifying in front of the Senate today? What, via a webcam or something, or is he actually in the Senate?
He's in.
Yeah,
sure.
wow.
They showed live footage at the Capitol.
So what is it, just the House that's still closed?
Yeah, I think so.
Look at AbbVie breaking out again there, almost at $91. There goes Walmart. Walmart retraced down to that 10 right here on this wick. On that wick, it retraced out of the 10, breaking out. Watch for that next break above 125.50. There goes AbbVie.
Dr. Fauci and other top health officials testifying before the Senate.
Beyond Meat is still climbing nicely there, up $300 for the day on Beyond Meat. There goes AbbVie again. Walmart retraced right down to that 10.
Shopify completes offering of Class A subordinate voting shares, including full exercise of over-allotment option. That's Sandy Hotel Oscar Papa. Shopify.
There goes AbbVie again. I want to see AbbVie break that 91 a share. AbbVie still climbing there. Still holding that 10.
INO and OVO share is spiking here to the high. India November Oscar, INO. And OVO 1268 up 6.5.
Alrighty, guys, I just sold AbbVie. I'm going to re-enter. I sold at $3.95. Just came in. That was a quick 15% gain on that. Quick $600. Lock that in. I'm going to re-enter here. It's coming down to that 20. I'm going to look for another re-entry. Fauci's speaking now, so I wanted to lock in some profits there before Fauci starts to speak. Thoughts on Cisco and the earnings? AbbVie still climbing there. Nice climb off the 10 on AbbVie. Let's see, Cisco. I like playing Cisco for earnings. They usually do pretty well, decently. She could definitely get up to that 47.50. I mean, it looks like Cisco's ready for a nice breakout there, Dr. Reber. I like that move there. I like that chart. She came all the way down to 32.50. Looking good. Look at what's climbing today. Costco trade. Take a look how Costco's came right down to that 10. It's having the bounce. I think we're going to see another nice green candle on Costco coming up there. Costco on a 3-month daily. Want to see a break above that 313 resistance like we talked about the other day. Could break above that 315. We'll be looking at 320. Cisco is one we could definitely put on our watch list there. Yeah, Visa's taking a beating today. June 19th Expo 190 strike. Let's take a look at Visa quick. Visa's still holding above that 10. We have the June 19th Expo for a reason. A month and a week until Visa expires. So take a look at all these candles represent one day there, Vinny, right? So if each one of these candles represents one day and we still have about 40 days until expiration, let's start counting these candles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Just 16 days ago, it was at $160 a share. You know, so you can't worry about these little moves intraday or on a daily chart here. Like I said, it's watching our trade plan. You know, if we got in the other day here and we had a couple days retracement, that's okay. We made, what, how many trades did we make on Visa that we locked in profits on?
It's got to be 6. 6
trades, yeah. We've been playing Visa here this entire breakout. You know, so keep an eye on that. It still looks great on a daily chart here. My target on that is going to be $190 to $200 dollars a share on Visa. Easy target on Visa as the economy continues to reopen. David Gallo says, sold AbbVie at 4.02, in at 3.30. Mahalo, Dave. Thank you there, Dave Gallo. Mahalo. What does mahalo mean, you know? Have you ever heard of that word? Did you guys lock in a profit on AbbVie? Let me know. AbbVie's probably still climbing with my luck. Of course she is. Yeah, I'm happy with where we sold.
Trade, we knew.
Yeah, I'm happy with where we sold. Remember, we got in right when it retraced down to that 10 or the 20 SMA way back here at what, 939, 940? That was a perfect.
Man, You didn't get fully filled at 335 either.
I know it. Yeah.
12 cents.
Yeah.
You got in. One of those got in at 350, so it was the average.
340, and then the other one got in at 350. The average was, yeah. I was happy with that. Look at AbbVie run now, though. Again, $9.92, new highs of the day now on AbbVie. Should have held that one a bit longer. Look at her breaking out there. $90.97. She just broke 91.03. Look at that candle. 91.05. Big breakout here as Fauci's talking. 91.10. Look at the breakout on AbbVie.
Announcing the approval of the AirPro 75K.
Mohan means thanks in Hawaiian.
Oh, thanks Hawaiian. Nice. Bob Logan says, hello, I love you. Thanks, Bob. Love you too, buddy. Hawaiian for thank you. Paniotis says NVAX. Let's take a look at NVAX, Paniotis. Paniotis. Is that how you say that name?
Paniotis. You said it pretty good.
These names are tough to say. Paniotis.
AMRS files for offer and resale of up to 35.51 million shares of common stock by selling shareholder. That's AMRS.
Let's take a look at NVAX for you there, Panny. Up 60. That was only up 49% before when we were talking about it. Man, these biopharmas are killing it. Remember we were talking about that, though, when we were watching NVAX and said, hey, it's in BDM. It's still below that 10. Look at that. First candle right here at 10 a.m. That's your first signal of entering breakout momentum. You know, a little before the MACD, a little before the cross, but you know the trade plan, you know. That first candle above the 10, 20, 50 SMA, that's usually a sign there of a breakout momentum. 10 o'clock, nice breakout, retraced down to that 10, broke out, retraced down to that 10. I think you're going to continue to see this climb today. If you wanted to get an NVAX, I'd be looking at this type of trade for NVAX. Let's take a look at the option chain. So here's a trade idea if you want one on NVAX. I'd be looking at the June 19th Expo. At least the June 19th Expo. Probably even later going into October. I mean, I think this one's going to continue to climb. This is probably going to be $100 a share by the time this is over. So if you take a look here, $38 strike. Pretty cheap, but not a lot of volume or open interest on that. So let's take a look at the January. 35 strikes pretty cheap. So you just need this $10 higher. You broke even if you pick that up. That's not bad. There goes NVAX continuing to run again. I mean, she could run up to $50 really quick here. So that's not a bad trade idea on NVAX. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to pick up one. Should I? What do you think? It's going to be $1,700 a contract. It looks good, though, for the January 15, 2021 Expo. You know, especially if that's fast-tracked, you know, once they get that approval. Yeah. You know, once they get that approval for that vaccine, this is going to take off again. It's going to be 100%er overnight once they approve it. So, you know, like that's the thing you're looking at. January 15, 2021, is that enough time for the FDA to grant permission and use of their vaccine if they make one? You know?
Race to the moon.
Definitely by January 21st, 2022. And as you can see here, there's a little bit more. You know, that's not even bad there. Picking up the 35 strike for January 21st, 2022 Expo. That's not bad at all right there.
Take some
Oh,
of that
Colin
AbbVie.
says, damn you, AbbVie. I don't even want to look at AbbVie now. Is AbbVie still running?
It was high today.
Oh, 91.23. Now look at the size of these candles here on AbbVie for the last 6 minutes. See the size of that? That's telling me I'm expecting a larger run here. So I'm going to continue to watch AbbVie. If we could break above 91, let's say 91.30, I might re-enter into AbbVie again.
Diamond broke the 50.
Hey, our trades are starting to turn all green here. Beyond's in the green. Carnival Cruise Line's in the green. Costco's in the green. Looking good. Halliburton's in the green. Starbucks is in the green today. Now here's the thing with Starbucks. It was downgraded yesterday by someone, right? But if you look at Starbucks here, if you look at the 3-month daily, here's another one. You know, nice breakout. Look at Starbucks running here. Nice big breakout on Starbucks, actually. This might be nice for a day trade on Starbucks. Just had that crossover. Just starting to climb here. Looking good. 3-month daily, 6-month daily on Starbucks. Still holding above that 1020 SMA here. As you guys could see, it's holding that 1020 SMA. 76.24, continuing to climb. Looking good there. What are you doing?
I want to see if we have any live on Fauci.
It would probably be on C-SPAN if it was. Let's see. Dave Gallows says, "Oh wait, that Panagiotis says it's Greek. That's a shocker. I thought it was Indian or something. Panagiotis, nice, Greek. Where are you from?" Dave Gallows says, "Could you pull up Facebook? Let's take a look at Facebook here.
Oh, yeah. What's your goal on that?
Facebook,
220?
220.
Yep.
And notice that
Yeah,
still
that-
breakout momentum, still climbing.
You're
I'm gonna
close to
jump in.
Facebook.
You know what? I was looking this morning when I first came into the office. I'm like, Facebook's looking good. What's my Facebook trades? I looked. I closed them out.
Yeah.
You know what? I think it's time to make another Facebook
We had a
trade
nice
here.
run.
Time to make a You know what? I'm gonna lock in because I'm in a lot of trades right now. So I'm gonna lock in some profits. I'm gonna lock in profits on Beyond. You know, let's see here, 17. Let's see if I can get 17.00. Saw the close. Boom, she boom.
Yeah, it wasn't an official trade.
It wasn't an official trade?
No.
That was in the afternoon pro trader session, right? Well, then just say that. That was an afternoon pro trader session trade. There we go. Beyond just sold. Just sold for another profit on Beyond. Order status. Here they are. And completed. Beyond. $17 a contract sold. So now we locked in a profit on Beyond. We locked in a profit on AbbVie. Those are the two trades and the only trades we made today so far. Now we're going to look at a Facebook trade. Facebook looks like it's consolidating. Looks like it's ready for that next big breakout. I'm going to look at the... Do I want to go with the June 19th or the July? It doesn't even have the July up there. Let's see. 220. Wow, they are crazy expensive. 215 strike for Facebook. Going for about $7.57. Well, that's a lot. That's a lot. I'm going to look at Facebook. I'll pick up the 215 strike for Facebook. That'll be a short, maybe a short-term couple of day trade. June 19th, 215 strike, $7.55. I'll pick up 5 contracts for now. And there we go. We're now on Facebook. There is the order status. Order status. We are in. Here it is right here. You can see it coming up there. The new Smart Alert option. Bought Facebook June 19th, 215 strike call. We paid $7.55 a contract. Our target on Facebook is going to be, we're going to look for 220, to 223 is the target. 220 to 223 is the target. Our stop's going to be 210. But this is going into earnings, so we're probably likely going to hold this one a little bit longer there. I like that setup, though. Looking good for Facebook. Well, Colvary says, hey, isn't Facebook going to retrace to the 10 SMA? Well, if you see here, it's already doing that because the SMA, this is a lagging indicator, right? So as you can see, this big breakout here, this is going to continue that momentum. The 10-day simple moving average is going to continue that momentum regardless of what Facebook does here. Even if Facebook pulls back a couple of days, you're going to see this continue to climb here. It has momentum since it's a lagging indicator. So, you have to keep that in mind. It's getting close to that now. It's in consolidation right at around 210. That's why I'm using that as our stop area. Facebook's looking good. And I'd have a target, like I said, 220, 223. And she might even climb higher with the good earnings there, like some of these other ones did. Look at the call sweeps coming in here on Microsoft. Kohl's call sweeps coming in, 2250. Caterpillar put sweeps coming in. Verizon calls. UPS call sweeps coming in. Let's take a look at UPS here, what that's doing. As the economy starts to open, obviously these shippers are going to start making money again, right? Now take a look at UPS. This is a beautiful chart here showing you lower highs throughout this cycle. So going back since we had this shutdown in March, it reached the lows. And as you can see, as we entered and crossed through the middle of March, we started to climb, still holding below that 50 SMA. We started to climb above that 10, 20, 50 SMA mid-May or mid-April there, but it failed to break out. We retraced. Now she's getting up to that 50 here on a 3-month daily chart. I like the looks of UPS here. $95. I'd be looking at 102.50 as a target. And let's take a look at the option chain for UPS. This is nice because as the economy is opening, this is one of them that's going to start to climb here. Businesses are opening, so businesses, once they start opening, obviously they're going to be shipping more product again, right? So UPS is going to say, hey, you know what? Things are starting to pick up, blah, 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 and then that's going to influence the stock, and the stock is going to continue to climb there. So I like that. Looking good there. Now UPS, if you take a look at UPS, I'd be looking at least the June 19th, maybe even the July Expo. July Expo might be a little bit better there. We could pick up the 90 strike really cheap. Dirt cheap. I think that's a nice setup there. What do you think? Lower prices for fuel means, much higher margins for UPS as the fuel costs are lower, right? That's one big incentive. Number 2, economy's reopening. Number 3, higher lows here as we continue to break out on a daily chart. It still hasn't crossed above that 50 SMA, as you can see in the background here, guys. Right here, you can see in the background, it still hasn't crossed above that 50. It's trading between that 10 and 50 right now, but take a look at the MACD. The MACD is starting to cross. It's just getting ready to cross in the next day or two here. That's looking good. So I'd be ready for a trade on this. I'd be looking at this. I'd be wanting a trade. I want a candle above 95. And it's really close to there now. Do I want to make a premature trade on it now? Because we know once Anthony stops talking, we could get a big pop in the market here.
Markets are pulling back, failing at the 50, Diamond and SPY.
Dow's up 70 points right now. NASDAQ's only down 3 points. Let me take a look at the Diamond ETF here.
Big candle.
Still in the green for the day. Still bullish on a daily chart. Let's look at today 1 minute. Yep, first big candle below that 10, 20, 50 SMA. 2 big red candles there. Body below previous body's candle. Look at that 242. What is it? 242. 90 area support breaks below that. We could see new lows on the day on the Diamond ETF. Keep that in mind. And again, this is while Fauci's speaking right now, so that could definitely be the reason of the pullback here. So just remain calm, listen to what's going on in the news, and that's probably what's triggering this market right now.
And we're aware of that. And
we talked about that this morning.
As
Yep.
traders, you got to be prepared for how the market shifts on news like this.
Absolutely. I agree.
Preparing for the worst.
Now, if you wanted to trade SPY probably has an option expiring today. You know, if you wanted to do a day trade on SPY puts while the market's pulling back a little bit here, here's one that expires tomorrow, May 13th Expo. You know, you could pick that up if you wanted a day trade, the 292 strike put, if you wanted to do that. But like I said, I'm still bullish long term here, so holding on to that. Let's see. Dominic Russo says, what was your trade on Facebook? I picked up the Facebook June 19, 215 strike call.
Is that YouTube?
Mm-hmm. If you want to sign up, Dominic, Efrain there from BCA, he's going to shoot you a message. Get signed up. Details are in the trade room. What's up?
I said don't miss out on our trades.
Absolutely not.
Shares of MoneyGram at the highs now. Michael Golf India, $1.76.
Facebook is still looking good. I like that. Retraced down to that 20, climbed. I just want to see the candle above that 10 now for Facebook to continue to break out. But like I said, right now, next few minutes, not too worried. It's all about Fauci right now. Fauci's on the Senate Hill here and Capitol Hill, and he's testifying there in front of Senate. So we know that's what's happening with the markets right now.
The virus changes daily life extensively. It could put a lot of universities at risk. Fauci speaking now.
Fauci speaking.
Penny Iotis just subscribed to us on YouTube. Thanks. Thanks for that. Guys, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you're interested in getting our updates and notifications.
Fast.
Keep a look on the Diamond ETF here in the Qs. You could keep an eye on that.
Found some support on Diamond. Looks like it.
Yeah, it's pretty severe BDM, though. We got to see what happens there. I think it's going to continue to head lower there as Fauci speaks. MACD, here's the convergence of the SMAs at the, what was that, the 1028 candle. There we go. Diamond's breaking lower there.
What happens when you see it continue to fail at the 50, as it has on this one?
Continue to fail at the 50.
Yeah.
On the today 1 minute chart here. Like I said, I think they're waiting for Fauci to speak here today. Dow's still up a little bit here, not too much. Dow's only up 25 points now, 30 points. But, you know, we're waiting for Fauci. There's a big candle on Diamond ETF right now. It's just we're going to see some volatility here going into this testimony here, or the hearing. I don't consider it a hearing, you know, just some.
He's not in trouble. He's just warning, fair warning. Let's see how fair warning that is.
Facebook continuing to run again there. Take a look at Facebook 1 minute. There goes Facebook, guys, breaking out. Came right down to that 20 SMA, broke out. Nice climb on Facebook now. Let's see it break above the next resistance, which is 214. Break above 214. We could see 215 possibly by today. Maybe we could see 220 by the end of this week. That'd be nice. There goes Facebook. Breakout momentum. Nice gain on the Facebook trade already. Colivera says he jumped back in AbbVie, ABBV. Ooh, AbbVie's holding that 50 SMA right there on it today, 1 minute. Look at Facebook go. What a breakout for Facebook. Already up $150 on the Facebook trade.
Parker says parts of the agriculture sector are already under a lot of stress and crisis will not help.
Vivek Patel says, could you go back to NVAX? Absolutely.
Huge candle on Facebook. Oh.
I know, Facebook's breaking 214 there, looking good. NVAX, it's breaking below that 10, 20, 50 SMA right now. Here we go. Fauci. Fauci's on.
Yeah, FaceTime, like you said.
I told you.
First, with regard to diagnostics,
Fauci's on, guys.
From Dr. Francis Collins last Thursday, the NIH
I want to hear what he's saying here, guys, so I'm going to listen to Fauci.
We're going to listen to Fauci now, guys.
With an award to that specific program up to $500 million to support the development of COVID-19 diagnostics. It is a national call for innovative technologies that will be evaluated in a Shark Tank-like selection process to get to either success or failure rapidly. Moving on to therapeutics, I'll talk a bit about the remdesivir success antiviral in a moment. But let me emphasize that there are a number of broad-spectrum antivirals that are in various stages of testing. In addition, we will be looking at convalescent plasma, which is plasma from individuals who've recovered from COVID-19, to be used in passive transfer, either in prevention or treatment. In addition, hyperimmune globulin, which could be used as a gamma globulin shot. We'll be looking at repurposed drugs.
Market's popping here.
Immune-based therapies
From Fauci.
modifiers, and finally, monoclonal antibodies.
There goes Facebook breaking 214 again.
The remdesivir placebo-controlled randomized trial, which was done internationally with a power of more than 1,000 individuals in sites throughout.
Look at that breakout on Facebook. You see that?
Hospitalized patients with lung disease.
Wow, look at Facebook go. $200 gain on the Facebook trade already, guys.
Was statistically significant, but really modest. And we must remember it was only a modest result, showing that the drug made a 31% faster time to recovery. We hope
Look
to
at
build on this
Facebook.
modest
Wow.
success with combinations of drugs and better drugs. Moving on to vaccines. There are at least 8 candidate COVID-19 vaccines in clinical development. The NIH has been collaborating with a number of pharmaceutical companies at various stages of development. I will describe one very briefly, which is not the only one, but one that we have been involved in heavily developing with Moderna. It's a messenger RNA platform. You might recall in this committee that in January of this year, I said that it would take about 1 year to 18 months if we were successful in developing a vaccine. The NIH trial moved very quickly. On January 10th, the sequence was known. On January the 11th, the Vaccine Research Center met to develop a plan. On the 14th of January, we officially started the vaccine development. 62 days later, we are now in phase 1 clinical trial with the 2 doses already fully enrolled. It will be animal safety. The phase 1 will directly go into phase 2-3 in late spring and early summer. And if we are successful, we hope to know that in the late fall and early winter. There are some important issues, however, in COVID-19 vaccine development. We have many candidates and hope to have multiple winners. In other words, it's multiple shots on goal. This will be important because this will be good for global availability.
Wow, $300 gain on Facebook, guys. Look at Facebook. Continue that breakout there. What a breakout. I'm here watching TV on Fauci, and I look back and I'm like, wow, look at Facebook, $300. Another nice one there.
I must warn that there's also the possibility of negative consequences, as certain vaccines can actually enhance the negative effect of the infection. The big unknown is efficacy.
WTI crude up 4.11%.
How durable will it be?
There goes Dow. Dow's starting to climb here.
A public-private partnership called Accelerating COVID-19 Therapeutic Interventions and Vaccines. The purpose of that is to prioritize and accelerate clinical evaluation of therapeutic candidates with near-term potential. Hopefully, our research efforts, together with the other public
I'm
health
very
efforts,
bullish. I'm very bullish on these markets. I gotta say. Very bullish. You know, I mean, it might be a rocky start here as we reopen, but you got to look at the big fucking picture here. We're going out 2-3 months with our trades, you know. As the economy continues to open, all these little hurdles, they're going to, you know, we're going to jump over these hurdles. We're going to see the market continue to run here, and I think we're going to continue to break out momentum cycle and phases here, you know. No question about that. That was it. That was his big speech. Okay. I don't see what the importance of that was. It was stuff we already knew. But, okay. So now that fear, the Fauci fear is gone, you know. The Fauci fear. You know, we didn't know what he was going to say there. So we came down to that 50 on NVAX here, starting to climb. Let's take a look at the Diamond ETF. Yeah. Diamond broke out. It's in the no trade zone right now. I want to see that 10 cross that 20 and start that climb. Nice move there, though. Dave Gallo says, I have 918 Expo, 215 strike, wanted more time.
Dave is up $400 on that Facebook trade.
Oh, wow, look at that. Nice job, Dave. Wow, another nice win there, Dave Gallo. Nice job.
Tesla.
Love hearing that. Tesla. I'm watching Diamond here break down. What's going on with Tesla?
Oh, they're the breakout momentum on the daily, on the 1 minute chart.
Walmart's still breaking out huge here too. Almost 126. Oof. Take a look at Starbucks here as well. Starbucks is having a nice run. Oh, look at Starbucks go. Now, that's a perfect example there of the trade plan on Starbucks. Look at the today 1 minute. Here's the SMA cluster. Here's the MACD cross right here at 10.11. First candle above that 10-20-50 SMA. You're breaking above resistance right here on this candle. Entry, breakout momentum, retrace down to that 20. It was holding that. You can see holding that 20 the entire time here. Big breakout again, consolidated onto the 10. There goes Starbucks now, breaking out, breakout momentum again, up 52 cents, 0.69%, continuing that run, 76.40 for the day there. Continuing that nice breakout on Starbucks.
You're on the 1 minute chart, right?
Yeah. Want to see Starbucks hit that 77 again today, which is definitely possible. There goes Facebook breaking out again. Let's take a look at Facebook. Facebook breaking off that 10. Pure breakout momentum. Retrace down to that 10-day simple moving average. Isn't that amazing how we call that with our trade plan? I mean, that's incredible. Where else could you do that? Nice climb there. Facebook now up $300 for the day. Nailed it. Yes, we did.
Facebook is on its way to 220.
No doubt about that.
You haven't failed this on that.
What's that?
You haven't failed this on Facebook.
No, I gave my target. Yeah.
They went 210.
Yeah, we called, and we called that right at that 10-20 cross back in April. I just wish we stood with that and traded that the entire cycle there. I mean, look at that breakout momentum starting right here on April 6th. April 6th, she started breakout momentum. And then that first candle above that 50 SMA was on April 22nd. So you can see we're about a month into this, and we climbed from 150 to 220 almost, 215. You know, that's a big move there. From 150 to 215, 65-point climb there in 1 month. That's why when I say about these expo days, you know, people get worried when the stock's down $1 or $2. I say, guys, we got 2 months until Expo. Perfect example here. Facebook, look what happened. You know, from 185 or 150, let's say 160 all the way up to 215. You know, that's a huge move there, 55-point move. Take a look today, 1 minute chart. There goes Facebook breaking out. Now up $350 on the Facebook trade. Nice gains there on Facebook. Continuing that breakout momentum cycle and phase. Continuing that run there. Dave Gallo says up $1,300 for the day, 720 realized. Slap those hands, Dave. He says, let's do it.
There it is. There it is.
Yeah.
Woo!
Woo! Ric Flair there. He gave a little Ric Flair woo. Wow, look at Facebook continued run. There she goes heading for 215. Reeb says Netflix is moving. Let's take a look at Netflix. NFLX. Looking good there. Not a big fan of trade and day trading Netflix. Let's take a look at the 3-month daily. It's going to have some resistance right around 450. Not bad, though. Not bad. Colin says, finally a hand rub. Yeah.
Yeah, you owe us one for AbbVie, and that was for Facebook.
Yeah. You know, I really didn't have coffee this morning, so I don't feel that energy to be rubbing the hands.
You came in energized.
I came in energized, yeah, because I had such a long weekend there.
That was your
you
natural.
know? My wife and baby, they're going to Brazil for a month, you know, so that's why she's getting some plastic surgery done, so, you know, so she wanted to spend a little bit of time with the family there before she leaves on Thursday. Thursday she's gone, heading to Brazil. She'll be there a month getting some plastic surgery done, and I'm going to stay here. She wants me to go out there like for a week when she has the plastic surgery. I told her I would, but probably not going to go. You know,
I think it's a Friday to Monday.
Well, it's also a 9-hour flight, you know. So, you know, yeah, that's direct.
Yeah.
You know, I don't even know if they have direct yet, but yeah, you know, like I got a lot of work to do here. You know, it's cosmetic surgery. I think she'll be great. You know, she needs my support. Of course, I'll be there, but I'm trying to push. She's got her whole family out there, so. You know, she's seeing one of the, you know, a lot of people say, well, why doesn't she go here to Miami? I'm in Orlando. Well, you know what? She's actually seeing the best Brazilian plastic surgeon in Sao Paulo.
Yep.
You know,
and she's also going to be with family. You know,
and she's with her family, yep.
So you know,
that's good.
You're going to be in the office.
Let her do her thing,
time,
yeah. So, yeah, that was that. So now, I think after Thursday, I'm probably just going to be in the office for about 20 hours a day.
Let's bring our couch. Our
bed
here.
We do. You gotta be ready because you think I rode you before.
I'm ready.
We'll be riding now.
Oh, man. I don't stop.
Oh, I know you don't. We're going to be going nonstop now. Now we got to get Tom Tagling out here from California.
Tom, are you on?
Tom, are you with us? If he's not live with us, you know, might have to do something with him.
Working on the back end.
Facebook's still holding that 10-day simple moving average here. NASDAQ's now back in the green. Dow's back. Let's see, Dow's back in the green. Yep, Dow, NASDAQ back in the green here. Guys, I think we're going to continue to see a run for the rest of the day.
Yeah, we got that hurdle out. We're rocking and rolling.
Facebook trade still up $300. Oh, Chevin. Hey, anyone wants to come down, more than welcome.
Chef. Tom, look at Tom. Tom's watching.
Ragu says we worry about her friend for the next few weeks. Hey, Ragu, you know, I got to ride him while we got some time here, you know, so he's doing a good job, gotta say. But definitely, we're going to be working nonstop. Maybe we can make some new apps or create some new websites in the next month here.
Cooking.
Oh, yeah. I got, 37 domain names we got to fill out there.
Oh, yeah.
You know, the Trading Academy, we got to fill out. Hey, that's it? All right. We'll see. You won't be saying that tonight. You won't be saying that tonight when we're here 11 o'clock. Trust me. Chevin says flights are cheap. I don't know what he's been looking at, but I was looking at a flight to go see my mother. I was going to see my mother for Mother's Day over the weekend, but go up there for a day. But, man, those flights, they're like $700 now.
Yeah.
They were just about $70.
Well, didn't we speak to Gio last week and said that his last flight on American Airlines was, 9 passengers?
Yeah.
That fuel cost?
Is he traveling domestically?
Gio?
FDA commissioner has worked with over 500 developers on COVID-19 tests. 92 emergency use cases so far.
GEVO, seeing some volume coming in. GEVO.
Joe says, are you bullish on Home Depot, Dave? Let's take a look at Home Depot. Home Depot, 3-month daily. Yeah, well, I mean, we've been talking about this for a while. It's in breakout momentum. Watch for that 250 target. I'd say 250 target by, and isn't that amazing? These stocks are going to be hitting new all-time highs. Home Depot's near new all-time highs here. You know, that's amazing.
Home Depot and Lowe's had some price changes.
I think they're going to continue to run there, you know. There goes Netflix jumping off that 20 SMA.
Home Depot had a target change to 260, Lowe's 130.
Really?
Yeah. On today's news
I like that there, Joe. If you wanted to get into a Home Depot trade, this is what I'd personally look at. And I'll give you guys these. You guys are smart. I don't have to put these down on the site anywhere. HD. If I was looking at Home Depot, I'd be looking at the June 19th Expo, and I'd be picking up the 240 strike. 240 strikes going for about $8.88. It had the target change to 260. Nice change there, June 19th. Or you could go with the July 17th Expo if you want a little more time. To be honest with you, I think the July 17th 240 strike, that's going for $11.45. Here's how you do. You go call. You don't need 10 contracts. That's going to cost an arm and a leg there. July 17th 240 strike. That's going for, you know, you can pick up a single contract if you want. And it's going to cost you around $11.40. So $1,140. You'd put in, trade idea. There you go. Home Depot. July 17th 240 strike at $11.30 a contract. So that's what I would do there, Joe, if you wanted a trade idea on Home Depot. I'd be looking at the 240 strike, July 17th Expo call, and you can pick that up for around $11.30 to $11.40 a contract. There goes Netflix starting to pop there again, getting another nice climb. Oh, Gio says he flies domestically and internationally. What do you fly internationally, Gio? 727, 737, 767 he's probably flying internationally.
I spoke to him the other day. He said that the 737 Maxes are amazing planes.
They're good planes.
You should hear the conversation about what he thinks about that whole issue. It's pretty interesting. As an avionics guy,
I wonder if he's flown the Airbus yet. Airbuses, from what I hear, are pretty nice as well.
Gio, what do you prefer, Airbus?
Jared says, why is
Boeing?
SPY downtrending today? Let's take a look. SPY. Go ahead, you can talk to Gio. SPY's starting to climb here. You know, it's still holding that 10. Still looking fine there. You know, on a daily chart. Right now, it's just down a little bit because of Fauci, I think, and what's going on. Mayor of Austin on reopening businesses. I think we should see a climb today. There goes Facebook again. Let's take a look at Facebook. There we go. Popping off that 20 SMA. Let's see that next candle above that 10 on Facebook. There she goes. Let's see that next candle. Green. Bob Logan says, why not a spread on Home Depot? Absolutely could do a spread. If you wanted to do a spread on Home Depot, here's what I'd be looking at. You could do something even shorter term. May 15th Expo with a spread on Home Depot, you know, and that's one that I could even do here with you guys. Buy to open, sell to open, call expiration May 15th. We could look at the 235, 240. That's going for about $2.72. I wouldn't pay anything over $2.40 for that. And it's above that now. So let's see here. We could pick up 5 contracts of this net debit, and then obviously it's going to cost you a little over, let's say if you put in an order for 2.70 multiply that by, I don't know where all my calcs go, 270 multiply that by 5, that's going to cost you around $1,350 to pick that up. There goes Facebook again. Another big breakout on Facebook. 214.47 continuing to break out there. $250 gain on Facebook.
So that Home Depot vertical spread, you got the 235, 240 vertical spread.
That's an idea.
Net debit order of 270.
Yeah. That's a trade idea.
Trade idea. Trade idea for Home Depot on the regular call as well as the call spread.
And you could kind of combine those in the same article too if you haven't already. That's perfect.
Yeah, I'll do that.
There we go. As Facebook continued to run 214.50. There goes Netflix climbing off that 20 SMA. Another nice climb there. Geo says he's never flown an Airbus. 737 the island, Central America, and North and South America, all over the U.S. Nice, Geo. Are you back full time now or what? There goes the markets climbing. Big breakout on Netflix. There goes Facebook. Another nice climb. Look at Netflix. That breakout on Netflix. Huge breakout on Netflix. Let's see if the general market follows suit here. I'm watching the Diamond ETF up top. Diamond ETF's getting up to that 10. I want to see it climb above that 10. There goes Facebook. There we go, guys. Big breakout in the market. We're starting to see that reversal here from the lows now, I think. Facebook trade back up $300. What do we got? A 10% gain on Facebook already? That was nice and quick.
He says it's a bridge too far to think there will be treatments or a vaccine available to facilitate the entry of school students in the fall.
For the trade idea, regular post or trade post?
What's that?
For the trade idea, regular post or trade post?
Trade idea.
What, a trade, like a trade?
The trade alert? No.
Post, right?
Yeah, just on the breaking charts page. There goes Facebook again. Another nice climb. Tyler Cummings says he just got a May 15th Facebook 217.50 strike calls. JS Buyer says he's in the June. I have the weeklies. Vaseline says I did Facebook yesterday. Same trade. Nice job. So you must be up nicely on that, Vasilili. I don't know how to say that name. It's so far away. Vasilili. Vaseline. Not sure. I'm sure I'm butchering that name there. Sorry about that. Let's watch for that next breakout here on Facebook. Yeah, thank you. There goes Facebook again. Another big breakout on Facebook. Let's see. People are talking about home. Look at Facebook go there, guys. 214.82, 214.84. Up $350 on the Facebook trade. Now up $400 on Facebook trade. Up over 10%. 15% gain on the Facebook trade. That's amazing already.
I'm trying to prop the Facebook chart. It keeps going higher and higher.
Thank you, Tyler. Got the fan blowing on me, so. On the military side, C-17s all over the globe. No change in employment status as of yet. Wow, so you're still flying, what are you flying now? Like 40 hours a week? How does that work there, Gio? I know they usually have you on a rotation and...
he did say he'll fly up.
GRUB, GrubHub,
He doesn't have his flight instructor license, so... It would be nice, though, to fly around with him, yeah. That'd be fun. That'd be a good time.
Gee, I'm ready to do a barrel roll.
Yeah, right. You came back shaking from that Discovery flight. You do a barrel roll. You probably won't even get in a car again.
I'm ready to go now.
I tell you, the G-force in the plane when you do quick maneuvers like that.
Set to approach GrubHub with a takeover offer that from Bloomberg.
Vincenzo Fiacco says, awesome day. Thanks, guys. No problem, Vincenzo. All I want to send Vincenzo a face mask here, with breaking charts.
Yeah.
The Fiacos have been one of our,
Very good supporters.
yes, very good supporters. I appreciate that, Vincenzo and family. What's that Amir keep writing Iran for? You're worrying me about all that Iran stuff there,
I just blocked it.
Perfect. Block that guy. What does he keep writing Iran for? Look at Facebook. Big breakout on Facebook. Now up $400 on Facebook. Breaking out 214.87. 214.89. 214.91. 214.92. 214.96. Big candle there on Facebook. Continuing that breakout. 214.94. It's like, you're up 400, 500 bucks on Facebook. It's like, wow, we're having a nice day. Up 1,500 bucks for the day. Realized if we lock this in, do I want to lock this in or do I want to hold it? That's the question you got to ask.
Lock in.
Lock in?
And feel another trade.
I still think she's going to 215. I'll wait.
Eyes on that Bloomberg report that possible takeover of GrubHub.
They're taking over GrubHub. Take a look at GrubHub quick. GRUB. Uber's talking. There goes. Holy shit. Let's take a look. GRUB. I'm bringing up the option chain, guys. It's halted. Oh man, that was halted 10:58 a minute ago. Wow, that's gonna have a huge pop there.
Buyout.
We got to get you watching the news feed for us there, E.
Yeah.
Man, missed out on that. It's your fault.
My fault.
100%.
My bad. Charlie's a little late, huh? That was 3 minutes.
Yeah. What the hell is Charlie doing? He's slacking today.
Charlie.
All right, Facebook. Let's see. Boom. 825. I put in an order to sell. Let's see if she fulfills. Facebook 825 was my order. We'll see it come up right there at the last trade price if it fulfills. Order status. Here it is. So this will say 825. This will turn green if it fills. So we'll see. She's starting to climb a little bit there. Retracing. 820 by 825. Let's see that next green candle there. Come on there, Facebook. There she goes, 820. It's live. You'll see this change to 825 and this turn green once she fills. She should fill any second. Any second. There she goes. There we go. Just filled. Completed. 825. Completed. There goes Facebook. Sold at 825. Locked in another nice gain there. Huh? That's it? That's it?
Yeah, 755.
755.
57.95 the high now on GrubHub.
Wow, GrubHub's running there.
And shares again halted on a circuit breaker.
Oh, another halt on Grub. Wow, she just shot up to 58 bucks before being halted again. But we could put that as breaking news on the site too. Hey, stuff going on with Grub. MMY New York says, Dave, can I come to Florida and work? You need a third person there. If you want to work for free and wear a face mask, okay. Intern, yeah, you can intern for a bit. Gelpin says he sold Facebook at 825. Thank you. Nice gain. Well done, guys. Very proud of you. Look at Grub. Unbelievable. Home is running there too. What is Home? Home Group? What is Home Group? I never watch Home Group. But that's a $2.70 stock. It's up 20% today. Wonder what's going on with that. It's after 11, actually. We got an appointment we got to head to with the Porsche dealership. So I'm going to get off now, guys. We're going to be live 2 o'clock. And, guys, this afternoon, I'm going to do something different with you guys. Instead of going on Vimeo, I want to do a Zoom live. What do you guys think of that? For our afternoon pro trader session, you guys want to do a Zoom meeting where we could see each other face to face. We could talk throughout the day. And I could also draw on the Zoom there. And the nicer thing about Zoom, there's no lag.
No lag.
It's live. It's live, and there's no minute delay or anything like that.
Let's see if they like that. Let's see if they
guys,
like
if
that.
you guys like that idea, go into the trade room or on the YouTube chat here. Let me know. Convince me that you guys want to do a Zoom chat today. A Zoom meeting for our afternoon pro trader from 2 to 4. Let me know what you guys think of that. It'll be like a class for 2 hours. And we'll be looking for trades and doing some trading. So let me know what you guys think of that. I'm going to get off of here for now. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel here. And I will be happy to see you guys shortly. I got to go drop off the Porsche at the Orlando Porsche dealership here. I got to get an oil change done. And I want them to clean up that stuff there, you know. Little dirty having a 4-year-old, so I'm going to go do that. Alrighty, guys, let me know in the trade room what you guys think of the Zoom, and I'll get that set up for the afternoon pro trader session. Alrighty, guys, take care. Have a great day, and it was a nice job. What were we today? 3 for 3?
3 for 3.
3 for 3. AbbVie, Facebook. What's the other one? Beyond.
Beyond. We closed it Beyond.
Yep. 3 nice gains today.
AbbVie 14%, Facebook 9%, total 23% for those 2 day trades that we got. You're never going to see a 23% average on the day.
That was a nice day. We had a good day today. Now I want to be a little bit more aggressive once we bounce off the daily. If we're looking at daily charts, once we get that successful bounce off that 10-20 SMA like Visa, then I'm going to be going.
Hummel, our Hawaiian guy, first day with us made $936. Great job.
Who said that?
Hummel.
Humble.
Hummel.
Oh, he's humble, huh?
He's
Let's see. So he says, where is he here? Hummel Tim. First day with you made $936. Great job, Hummel.
Hummel, you almost paid for your yearly membership.
Nice job. Love seeing that. Great job, Hummel. Alrighty, guys. Take care, and we will see you in the afternoon. Great job today, guys. Take care, and let me know in the trade room if you guys want to do the Zoom session for the afternoon pro trader. Alrighty, guys, take care. See you later. Bye-bye.